Today in this video, I would like to share the step-by-step process on how to reactivate your Snapchat account. So please make sure to watch this video till the end. Before we reactivate the account should be deactivated. So first of all, let's deactivate my Snapchat account. Head over to Snapchat application. Move into your profile at the top left corner. Move into settings. Scroll down and inside support, you need to move into I need help. Now again scroll down and move into managing my account. Tap on delete or reactivate my account. Tap on how do I delete my Snapchat account. Here again scroll down and click on accounts portal. You'll be landing on this page. Here you need to enter your username and the password of your Snapchat account. And then click on continue. There you go, your account has been deactivated successfully. Now in order to reactivate the Snapchat account, what you need to do is go back and open the application Snapchat. Enter the username and the password of the Snapchat account that you want to reactivate. And once you are done, click on login. There you go, your Snapchat account has been reactivated successfully. This process is similar to how you log into your Snapchat account. Well, this is it for today and this was the tutorial video on how to reactivate your Snapchat account. I hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching it till the end.